Great to be back. In this short video, I will talk about the elements or the knowledge areas that are missing in the simplified 10-step approach. First of all, I will have a look at all the elements that we included, and then we look at the missing elements, or better, the knowledge areas that are not there. But let's first have a look what is included in the 10-step process. We have, first of all, integration management. We're talking about making the plan. We're talking about creating the charter. These things are in fact there. We did not, let's say, explicitly use the integration management elements, but basically we are using integration management. We look at the scope management we did. We looked at the schedule. We looked at cost management, where we did the budget. We looked at resources management in a limited way. We looked at some elements, but we basically did here only the allocation of resources to the different activities, and we looked at the utilization of the resources over time and found ways to resolve conflicts. We also have risk management. That's one parameter that we will use let's say that we will be using later. And I also spoke a little bit about stakeholder management, about identifying stakeholders, but it was very limited, and there are more things that you should know about stakeholders and managing stakeholders. Let's have a look at the missing knowledge areas. When we look at the project, we didn't include certain areas, and these elements we will in fact consider in the following videos, where I will be describing more, or where I will be describing these different elements. I will talk about those knowledge areas, and I will summarize what they are about. First of all, quality management. We assumed quality management when we are doing the things. We say we have to do it correctly, but I didn't look into the tools and the techniques that can be used for quality management. Quality management is very important. It's a topic that also can be used in other parts in the company, and your company may also already have quality methods that are being used. For example, Kaizen, Six Sigma. You may be using the classical tools of quality management and so on. When we look at procurement management, I didn't speak about it. I also only mentioned it a few times. Procurement management is very important in projects. It's a different topic. It's a little bit out of specs for the project managers, because typically the project managers are not dealing so much with procurement management. There is a different division within the company that is dealing with this. We also have communication management. We spoke about it related to reporting, and there are a lot of other things that are important about communications management. And finally, we spoke a little bit about stakeholder management. I only spoke about it when I was talking about the creation of the charter, but in the following videos I will give you more information about the principles of stakeholder management. So that was it for this short overview, what was in the 10 steps and what was not in the 10 steps. And in the next videos we will discover those items that were not included in the 10 steps, the original 10 steps. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you, and bye-bye.